Next topic is drinking water. Question number 1. How often do you drink water? Well, every day of course. Staying hydrated is a priority for me since I easily get a headache if I don't. Not to mention my weight loss goals. Drinking enough water is crucial for our health. Question number 2. What kind of water do you like to drink? Answer: all kinds of. I am not too picky. I either drink tap water that I put in a Richa filter or bottled water from time to time. I usually put water in my refillable water bottle and carry it around me all day long. Question number 3. Do you drink bottled water or water from water machines? Answer: I would prefer bottled water. Since the water in my country is potable, I usually opt for that with a filter to improve the flavor. If this isn't available for me, I buy a bottle of water, although I prefer not to because of my environmental concerns. Here, the vocabularies used in this topic were: first, picky, which means selective, and the next was potable, which means drinkable. Thank you.